A constantly evolving classic, placement colour is upcycled over time with changing trends. Crucial to this technique, the colour placement should work with and not against the haircut, whilst the colour choice makes the technique classic through to creative. For seamless end results, soft sections can be used. Alternatively, sharper sections will give a more striking result. It's always important to consider the client's lifestyle or fashion tribe in determining the technique.
Conduct a creative consultation. Create a profile parting followed by a radial parting and isolate with a sectioning clip. Next, take a horizontal parting from the occipital bone to the ear and isolate the section. Repeat on the opposite side. Take a diagonal back parting from the top crown to the radial, creating a triangular section. Then create an irregular section, starting ½ inch from the hairline at the profile parting towards the triangular section. Repeat on the opposite side and isolate, giving a total of 9 sections. Put on protective gloves. Beginning at the nape, take 1 inch alternate partings and apply Formula 1 from the new growth through to the ends. Repeat the technique until the back section is complete. Progressing to the side sections, take 1 inch horizontal partings and apply Formula 1 from the new growth through to the ends. Continue until the section is complete. Repeat on the opposite side. Move on to the irregular section. Take a slight diagonal parting and apply Formula 1 to the new growth. With a freehand blending technique, apply Formula 2 to the mid-lengths and ends. Continue working in the same way until the section is complete. Repeat on the opposite side. Within the final 2 sections, apply Formula 1 from the new growth through to the ends. Process for up to 20 minutes, then rinse and remove with your chosen TIGI Copyright Care regime.